going to find yourself out here, at least have the capability to find your way out.
The following message is transmitted at the request by the Los Angeles Police Department, the Office of Emergency Management Agency, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the Los Angeles Police Department has reported instances of civilians in or near the University of Southern California, Los Angeles Convention Center, Pershing Square, and MacArthur Park causing civil unrest resulting in damage to property and injuries. Most of these cases reported to police comes from a spate of assaults and other crimes committed against civilians in addition to arson in some areas, though the exact motive is not immediately known. The LAPD is attempting to handle the situation. However, the LAPD and the City of Los Angeles request that all Los Angeles take the following actions. Return to your homes and avoid traveling, unless absolutely necessary, for the rest of tonight. Close and lock all windows and doors. Barricade them to the best of your ability. If one of the rioters enters your home, you may take any means necessary to defend life and property, including lethal force. However, vigilantism will not be tolerated, and attempt to detain rioters or assaulters on the spot will result in arrest. Do not participate or start any of the riots or you will face risks of arrest without counsel with the fullest extent of the law or you will be shot and killed on the spot. In the event should the situation does not improve or worsen, the California National Guard may be requested for deployment in the city as a necessary measure to restore law and order and protect life and property, and curfews or martial law may follow. Repeating, at approximately 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the Los Angeles Police Department has reported instances of civilians in or near University of Southern California, Los Angeles Convention Center, Pershing Square, and MacArthur Park causing civil unrest resulting in damage to property and injuries. All Los Angeles residents are requested to return to your homes and avoid traveling for the rest of tonight. Act now to protect your life.